Hello, I'm Mrs. Lim, your math tutor. I found a similar question like this in Primary 5 exam paper. If you're in Primary 5, you can pause the video here and try to do it. You might also see this type of question appear in Primary 6 exam paper. Most likely, it will appear in paper 1. Let's read the question. Mike collected 70 cards more than Mary. When Mike gave 90 cards to Mary, Mary had thrice the number of cards Mike had. How many cards did Mike have at first? From this sentence, it is not difficult to tell that we need to draw a comparison model to show the relationship between Mike and Mary. Correct? Then, who has more cards? Mike, right? Then, we first draw a bar for Mary. Then, we draw a longer one for Mike. Okay? Next, Mike gave 90 cards to Mary. In this case, we need to cut or move 90 cards out from Mike's model. This part is only 70, so we need another 20 to make it 90. Then this whole figure will be moved to Mary's model. Mike is left with this part only. The end result, Mary had thrice the number of cards Mike had. This sentence tells us that Mary had 3 units and Mike had 1 unit in the end. Are you with me? The problem is, how can we put this piece of information on this model? Well, we can draw a line on top of Mary's model to show where is the 3 units. Then we can do the same for Mike. What should we do next? And this is a little silly thing I say in my class. Look up and down, then compare around. This is to remind my students to be nosy when using model drawing. Do you know how many units is this? Look down, 1 unit. The remaining part is 2 units. The entire part highlighted in yellow equals 2 units. How can we find this part? Look down, it is 20. So 2 units equal 20 plus 20 plus 70. It gives us 110 in total. Then 110 divided by 2, 1 unit equals 55. How many cards did Mike have at first? Now let's focus on Mike's model. This is what Mike had at first. Then we just need to add them up all together. Then we will get the answer. The answer is Mike had 145 cards at first. Thanks for learning math with me today. Before I show you the question, can you take 2 seconds to like my video and subscribe to my channel? Thank you. Here's the question for today. You are given 5 minutes to complete this question. Make sure you have a pen and a paper. If you're ready, 3, 2, 1, go! answer.